Israeli Navy forces have intercepted a flotilla bound for Gaza, detaining dozens of activists on board. The flotilla, with nearly 50 boats and 500 activists, was carrying symbolic humanitarian aid to Gaza. Organizers said most of their boats were intercepted or assumed intercepted in an Israeli operation that began the night before. Israeli soldiers detained and removed dozens of activists, including Greta Thunberg, from the flotilla. Activists say that despite the interceptions, several boats continued sailing and near the besieged territory before being stopped on Thursday.
My name is Greta Thunberg. I'm a citizen of Sweden. If you are watching this video, I have been abducted and taken against my will by Israeli forces. Our humanitarian mission was non-violent and abiding by international law. Please tell my government to demand my and the others' immediate release.
We are presently quite far away from the remaining 2 vessels that have yet to be intercepted by the Israeli Navy, but we are receiving word of our over 500 colleagues and participants in this flotilla in Israeli custody for detention. We've been told that there are 3 remaining boats on route to Gaza. On 2 of them, I know the captains personally. We've been trying to be in contact with them, but their communication seems scrambled. Of those 3, the Mikano, which is one of the boats that we've been watching getting closer and closer to Gaza, according to the tracker, is there. We don't have any way of independently confirming that because we have no communication.
We need to close it.
Η Υφυπουργός είπε ότι έχει ενημερώσει τον γραμματέα εκεί του ΙΠΕΞ του Ισραήλ. Της έχει πει ότι είναι 27 άτομα, δεν έχουν καμία λίστα, ούτε έχει γίνει αναγνώριση. Άρα ποιοι 27, τι 27 και προβλέπεται να γίνει αύριο το πρωί.
Το ζητούμε είναι να επιτραπεί άμεσα η ταυτοποίησή τους, να υπάρξει συγκεκριμένη και εξειδικευμένη, εξατομικευμένη ενημέρωση για τον καθένα και την καθεμία που κρατείται στις φυλακές του Ισραήλ και να γίνουν όλες οι απαραίτητες ενέργειες έτσι ώστε να επιστραφούν άμεσα στην Ελλάδα, χωρίς φυσικά να ασκηθούν οι οποιασδήποτε κατηγορίες ή να υπάρξει οποιαδήποτε νομική συνέπεια, γιατί αντιλαμβάνεστε ότι αυτό το οποίο συνέβη ήταν μια απαγωγή, μια έκνομη ενέργεια του κράτους του Ισραήλ, το οποίο επενέβη σε διεθνή ύδατα και απήγαγε στην πραγματικότητα Έλληνες πολίτες, οι οποίοι μετέφεραν ανθρωπιστική βοήθεια στη λωρίδα της Γάζας.
Facts speak for themselves. The situation is tragic. The international law has been breached in just so many ways. A commission of the UN has declared this is a genocide. Politicians are not responding to the society's and the population's demands. We're asking for our governments to do something to help.